So it's time to import our models in Unreal Engine. So let's open a new project, click on blank, make sure that it includes the starter content, and create the project. I would delete all of these. So the very first thing I would do is I would go to landscape and in the starter content type in grass and just drag and drop this grass material into the landscape material menu, which says none right now, and then choose 31 quads. We don't need a very big landscape, and click on create. So here we have our grass material. Now we are ready to import our project. So all you have to do is you have to drag your obj file into the content browser, click on import. Now you need to select all the things you've imported and drag it into your viewport. Now with the move tool, you move your grass down, and here it is. Here's your model imported. These are all the colors, and here's the model. In the next part, I would tell you how to create new materials. If you want to use the starter content materials, then you can just go to the folder, click on materials, and use these materials and drag and drop them wherever you want them. But you might want to create new materials to create a look you want, and for that I would show you how you can start making your own materials and give them properties you want them to have. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next part.